Is air duct cleaning worth it? Is air duct cleaning actually worth it? Honest answer, from a restoration company that does it for a living. Here is the truth most contractors will not tell you. NADCA, the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, does not recommend cleaning on a calendar schedule. They recommend cleaning when there is a real reason. Anyone selling you a yearly plan is selling you a yearly plan, not a service you actually need. So when is air duct cleaning actually worth it? 4 real triggers. 1. Visible debris at your registers. Pull a register cover, shine a flashlight inside. If you see dust buildup, animal hair, insulation fibers, or anything moving, your ducts need cleaning. 2. Recent renovation, construction, or finished basement work. Drywall dust, sawdust, and demo debris settle into ducts and stay there. Clean after the work, not before. 3. Mold growth inside the HVAC system. Musty smell when the system kicks on. Visible black staining around register edges. Or a known water event near the air handler. This is a remediation job, not a cleaning. Different scope, different price. 4. New home purchase, or a rental turnover where you do not know the history. Worth one cleaning to reset the baseline. What real air duct cleaning includes? HEPA filtered negative air containment on every job. Source removal at every supply and return register. Rotary brush agitation matched to your duct material. Blower compartment and accessible coil faces cleaned, because dirty equipment recontaminates clean ducts within weeks. Every grill pulled and washed. Before and after photos at every opening. What $99 specials usually mean. A shop vac at each register. No containment. No documentation. You paid for theater, not a cleaning. Green Restoration is licensed and insured across Connecticut, Westchester County, New York, and Western Massachusetts. Our owner, David Mejanishvili, is IICRC certified in applied microbial remediation and water damage restoration. If we find mold in your system during a routine cleaning, you get an honest assessment, not a sales pitch. Real answer to the worth it question. If you have a real trigger, yes. If a salesperson called you, probably not. Call 833-800-0474 for a straight answer on your home.